Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with another project you can see here, and this is service oriented blockchain platform. Start stacking here, download software, start master mode, and the products are here: blogs, team, chain log, roadmap, white paper, and fake. You can check here, build and manage quantum safe blockchain solution with the Self-Frame SDK, their Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and Discord as well. You can check the token. What is Self-Frame network? Scalable blockchain platform service. Self-Frame network is scalable, open source, next generation platform for building and bridging blockchains and services secured by post quantum inscription. Their blockchain for mass adoption. We believe that the next paradigm for blockchain technology is a mass adoption. You can read this: fast and quantum resistance versatile blockchain solution. You can see here how is the Self-Frame network different, unique, secure, interoperability. Self-Frame network is built with, you can see here, conditional and transaction. This allows seamless interoperability as well as fast and convenient transaction, all secured by integrated quantum safety measures. Versatile TDApps with Seed SDK. Since our platform is built from scratch using plain CT, you can see what is post quantum inscription important. With the strides technologies making quantum computers capable of breaking into the current blockchain technology will soon be on the forefront. Potential the computer will be threat to every byte of data known to mankind. Self-Frame network has integrated variable post-quantum inscription that not only supports implementation of multiple quantum resistant signatures simultaneously, but also permits the network to upgrade algorithm on the fly. This enables the network to adapt and check their technology: scalable, sustainable, decentralized, economical, interoperable, secure. What is maintain status? The Self-Frame ecosystem consists of many blockchain networks. The main one is called Backbone. Here you can find out the latest information on their blocks, transaction, validators, as well about token. You can see here their burned, sell, bridges, vested, circulating supply, sell price, market cap, and total supply. Also check their PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Gate.io, Maxic LED token, and their contract BSC as well. Also see here everything: CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, BSC Scan, Explorer, Etherscan, DexTool, Self-Frame Explorer as well. Their news are here. You can see. Want to keep up with the news? Subscribe here. Get started and download Self-Frame Bridge. Learn for developers. Contact them on Telegram, and feedback on Twitter, Telegram, Insta, and Discord as well. Here is Self-Frame network. Their join group here. They have these members, and 484 are online. You can see. Also you can register here their vendor swap, pets nom ID email, and you can connect them with BNB Smart Chain Connect wallet. Here is Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter as well, and Telegram, their LinkedIn, and service oriented blockchain. Register here, and also Self-Frame price sell. You can see here CoinGecko, cryptocurrencies, exchange, NFTs, and products as well. You can see here all the things are looking. You can check this here.